This is gonna be a 6-part video. Don't know why. Just want to. Or maybe I accidentally clicked on the stop button. I'm filming on my phone because I don't have a camera. I can't afford one. This is busting. People look sketchy. They walk very slow. That is good. Kids, I think it's alright. Mommy, what time is it now?
12:33. 12.
But our boarding time is 12:30. Mama, our boarding time is 13. Seat 4D. Flight GT1220. Oh, they spelled my name wrong.
Perhatian pelanggan pesawat Lion Air dengan penerbangan JT322 tujuan Banjarmasin, JT322 tujuan Banjarmasin dipersilakan menaiki pesawat udara bawah pintu keberangkatan tujuan.
There's so much people because of the virus. There's no much people, so I'm happy about it. What part is it now? I don't know. Waiting to go on a plane. This is gonna be a 6-part, 5-part video. I don't understand. I don't know.
Selamat siang, mohon perhatian kami informasikan kepada Anda seluruh pelanggan pesawat Lion Air dengan nomor penerbangan JT636 tujuan Bengkulu. Dikarenakan pesawat Anda berada di pintu D6, maka kami persilakan Anda untuk segera berpindah ruang tunggu melalui pintu keberangkatan D6. Terima kasih.
Mommy, when are we going on our flight?
Nanti kan ada informasinya, Gwen. Mana Mami tahu, Gwen?
Man. So you need to... I want to draw. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Look. I'm gonna put my bag here. It's heavy. I can focus on my drawing. Or media. Boy. I'm gonna draw the first thing I saw. This. The 4 minute and 4, 5, 6, 7 seconds. But it's red. We can look at you and see what are you doing.
Gwen, sini foto juga.
Gonna get some. What? Okay.
We'll see.
No, I'm prettier. I'm prettier.
Once. I don't like chicken.
Yes.
for 5 club, not this.
Yes. Isi.
Nah.
I have to do like this because I look short and I don't like looking short. Don't know what I'm drawing, I'm just scribbling. I'm gonna draw an apple.
Oh, look how many diamonds I have.
I don't care.
By Gabe.
Do you like my blueberry?
Perhatian mengajar pesawat Lion Air 3 nomor penerbangan JT636 tujuan Bengkulu. JT636 tujuan Bengkulu dipersilakan untuk naik pesawat udara melalui pintu keberangkatan B6. Hanya melalui pintu keberangkatan B6. Terima kasih.
Oh, it's so long. Guess what is this in the comment section?
Belum. Bengkulu.
This.
Duduk, nanti tempat duduknya diambil orang. Balik lagi Bengkulu itu, Pak.
I'm bored already.
Mommy, dropping mama money. I'm hungry. I think you should give me money.
I'm hungry.
Roti lagi. Nanti juga
I want another bread.
Yeah.
Mami juga mau. Bentar ya.
Okay, I'm putting it. Yeah. Get my bag.
Perhatian mengajar pesawat Lion Air 3 nomor penerbangan JT322 tujuan Banjarmasin. JT322 tujuan Banjarmasin segera naik pesawat udara melalui pintu keberangkatan B2. Terima kasih. Service customer of Lion Air JT322 to Banjarmasin. Please wait to get detail. Thank you. Perhatian mengajar pesawat Lion Air 3 nomor penerbangan JT636 tujuan Bengkulu. Segera naik pesawat udara melalui pintu keberangkatan D6. Hanya melalui pintu keberangkatan D6. Terima kasih.
Me too, mommy.
Got it back.
And my favorite one is the math. But I'm not really good. Get ready.
Is that a race?
Yeah.
14. 9. Please. Oh, it's playing controller. This feels good actually. This could be 10
Well, I
parts.
got 0.
I don't know how many parts it will be, but it's gonna be parts. It will be at least 5 or 6 parts. Or 4.
Well, this is big one.
People are suspicious. So I'm gonna see you later. Bye.